We started out the morning with stocks higher and bonds lower, and as the morning progressed, bonds moved even lower with yields moving even higher, and it is finally starting to affect stock prices. As I speak to you right now, the Dow is just creeping below the flat line, the Nasdaq down a little bit more than 0.1%, the S&P down about 0.1%, and the Russell down close to 1% right now. German inflation came in lower than expected, possibly part of the reason copper is moving aggressively higher. And German and EU small to medium-sized business manufacturing PMIs were revised slightly higher, but are still deep in contraction territory. Same with UK and US S&P manufacturing PMI, again, small to medium-sized businesses, but those remain in expansion territory. They just came in revised a little bit lower. The larger and arguably more important June ISM manufacturing PMI in the US comes in lower and in contraction territory at 48.5. Gold is lower, silver and crude are higher along with copper. Now you're looking at the yield side of things. We're up between 7 and 9 basis points across the US curve. 2-year is up 7, 10-year is up 8, 444 on the 10-year, 30-year is up 9 at 460. That 2-year sits at 4.78% on the yield. French election results early this morning, late last night. What the media reports call the French far-right party under Marine Le Pen is actually winning the first round of the French parliamentary elections. They will go to the second round now, try and dominate that and try and form a government. Again, the media reports are calling them far-right. Tomorrow we get the ECB forum. It actually starts tonight and goes all day through the European session. And we get speeches by ECB economist Drew Edelson, ECB Vice Chair Luis de Guindos, Executive Board Member Isabel Schnabel, 2 speeches from ECB President Christine Lagarde, and also a speech by Fed Chair Jerome Powell. So we'll be watching that. Looking ahead to earnings today after the market closed, nothing of interest to speak of. Tomorrow before the open, one company with over $1 billion in market cap, and that's the industrial distribution giant MSC Direct. Data tonight, minutes from the Reserve Bank of Australia meeting. Tomorrow, EU inflation data, JOLTS jobs openings in the US, and ADP private payrolls.